Good morning, children. Today in our science class we'll see about respiratory system. Yesterday we have seen about digestive system and we are going to see about respiratory system, the second organ system today, that is respiratory system. Respiratory, what is respiratory? It is always connected with breathing, that is respiratory. The respiratory system provides oxygen to the tissues of the body. What is tissues? It is a mass of cells that form the bodies of human. It is tissues that is which provides oxygen to the tissues of the body and removes carbon dioxide from the tissues. There are three major parts forming the respiratory system. In the respiratory system, how many parts do you have? Three parts. One is airway, then second one is lungs and muscles of respiration. So in this also you have some divisions in airway. Okay, so we'll see one by one. The first subdivision is airway. The airway includes the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchioles. It carries air between the lungs and the surroundings. First one is nostrils. Nostrils is either one of the two external openings to the nasal cavity in the nose. What is nasal cavity? Nasal cavity is a large air-filled space above and behind the nose in the middle of the face. See here it is the nasal cavity. Nostrils means either one of the two openings to the nasal cavity in the nose. Okay. And the next one is pharynx. Pharynx means it is a soft area. We have seen yesterday itself about the pharynx. It is a soft area at the top of the throat where the passages to the nose and mouth connect with the throat. Here is the pharynx. Okay. Then the next one is larynx. The larynx is called voice box. It is an organ in the top of the neck involved in breathing, produce sound. Okay. And the next one is trachea. Trachea means it is called a windpipe. It is a cartilaginous tube that connects larynx to the bronchi of the lungs and allowing the passage of air. See here is the bronchi. From here to here, it will be allowing the passage of air. Okay. And the next one is bronchi. Bronchi is a passage in respiratory that conducts air into the lungs. Okay, see here, this is bronchi. And the next one is bronchioles. Bronchioles are smaller branches. See here they have given separately. The bronchioles are smaller branches of bronchial airway in the respiratory tract. Okay, so here some smaller branches will be there. That is bronchioles. Alveoli. Next one, alveoli. It is a tiny sac. See here itself they have given. It is a tiny sac-like structure for holding air in the lungs. Okay, children. So these are important for the nasal activity, for respiration. Okay, these are the airways. And the next one is lungs. Lungs. The lungs are primary organs of the respiratory system. They are paired. You have learnt about lungs last year itself. It's yes or no? It is a spongy sac pair. It is of pair. Yes or no? They are paired. Cone-shaped organ. They are located in the thoracic chamber, rib cage. You have seen about a rib cage in organ system. Yes or no? So above that lungs you have rib cage of bones. Okay, so on both sides of the heart. Then third one is muscles of respiration. Muscles of respiration include two muscles, diaphragm. So here you just change the spelling, children. They have given wrongly. So diaphragm, the spelling of diaphragm is DIAPHRAGM. Okay, include the G. So diaphragm and intercostal muscles. So this is a type of muscles. So diaphragm, it will be it is a muscle between your lungs and stomach that helps to breathe. And intercostal muscle means it runs between the ribs. Okay, rib cage, it will be running between that rib. Okay. So they help to push the air in and out of the lungs during breathing. Okay, during breathing, the air will be pushed in and out because of these two muscles. Okay, children. Okay, today we have seen about respiratory system. And see here, do you know air pollution causes many respiratory disease? You know this very well. Yes or no? Because of pollution, we are having more respiratory diseases. Smoking can cause lung cancer also. And here in this, do you know? See here, people suffer due to smoke. Smoke contains large amount of carbon monoxide. It is a toxic gas. It is a poisonous. It is very, very dangerous to humans. Okay. So people when engulfed in smoke on fire die due to suffocation. Engulfed means they'll be affected with that very strongly in the smoke. So because of that, they'll have some difficulty in breathing. So and they'll die due to that difficulty of breathing. Okay, so check this activity, children, read this and then try out this one. Okay, so in our next class we will see the next organ system. Okay, thank you.